Dear students, in this video, I am going to explain about how to delete a node from the beginning of the list. Okay, this is double linked list. So now this is the existing list, 4 and 6 is present. Head contains the address of the first node and heads previous is null and last node next is also null, right? Now I want to delete from the beginning. So beginning means the first element. So this is the del node. Okay, I have to delete this so that 6 will become the head. This is the final part. So this is what the final result of this deletion. Okay, now let us discuss coding for this. So deletion, here this is the function name, deletion at the beginning. So from the main function, when this function is called, directly the control will come here. After completing all the task, it will go back to the same place. So deletion at the beginning, no argument required, because if you call this function, the first node will be deleted, right? So here, to store the address of the deleting node, we have to use this del node. And the first case, here 3 cases I mentioned. First case is if the list is empty. So list is empty means what is the condition? Head equal to null. Then no node to delete this part, first case. And the second case, if it contains only one node. Okay, so here we have the data like this 5, this is null and this is also null. Okay, and this is head its address is for example 5000. So head contains 5000, it is pointing here. Now head of next equal to null, this is head, its next is this part, is equal to null, yes it is null. Then the condition becomes true, it is coming here. So this is what I'm going to assign now. Del node address is head is 5000, so it is also pointing here. Okay, pointing here. Now head equal to null I am doing. So if I do null, what will happen? This link will be disconnected, and this is the node I would like to delete. What is the statement I have to use? Free of del node. So all will be deleted from the list, right? Third case, this is the main part we have to understand. If it contains more than one element. So with the help of this code, I will explain in the diagram so that you can understand clearly. The else code part I have written here to explain in the diagram. So first, del node equal to head, because I'm going to delete at the beginning. So I created the del node, okay, which is head value. What is the head value? 2000. So it is pointing here, first step. Head equal to head of next. So who is head? This is head. Its next is 3000. So here I have to assign 3000 so that this link will be removed and it is pointing 3000, right? Over. This part is also over. And head of previous equal to null. So who is head now? This is head. It's previous because it should not point to anyone. This is the first node hereafter. So this part I have to mention it as null. Head of previous is equal to null. That also I done. Now I can free this del node. Okay, so this is what the 4 lines mentioning here. After this, the diagram looks like this. I hope you understand the coding part. Now let us see the animation. So in the animation, we have discussed only 2 cases. One is one node, multiple node. Actually, if cases, if head equal to null. So now let me show this. One node means it contains only one node. So how it is going to work? Okay, if condition is failed here because it contains one node, directly coming to else part. Del node is the head, and then head of next is assigned to head, that is null. Okay, so we have to free the del node. Okay, and the next one is multiple node. So this is the multiple node. First 2 cases are failed here, else condition here. So del node is equal to head, and then we changed head is equal to head of next, and then we changed the address, head of previous is equal to null, and finally deleted this. This is the final output. I have written the algorithm for that deletion at the beginning of the double linked list. We have started 3 cases already we have discussed. One is underflow, that is head is null, so no node to delete. If it is a single node, we have to take that condition is head of next is null. If it is the case, head is assigned to del node and then head to null. Okay, free of del node. Second case, this is first case, this is second case. Then exit. Third case, handle with the multiple nodes. So what is that? Here I have to take the temporary pointer head to del node, And what are the modifications we have to do? Head of next to head, and head of previous value is null we have to assign, and finally free the del node, and finally completed the function. So this is the algorithm for that. I hope you understand the concept. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. We will continue in the next video.